Hello good people, back again with us, Viamax.com. How are you today? We wish you good health. In this video, we'll show you how to upgrade a free or FilesMonster to a premium FilesMonster account. Before we start, make sure you already have a free FilesMonster account. And make sure you have purchased and received an email from VUmax.com containing the premium voucher code. If you don't have a FilesMonster premium voucher code yet, visit our website www.viamax.com. Then contact our representative via WhatsApp, SMS, or Facebook. How to create a FilesMonster account and how to buy premium voucher codes. Please check the link in the description of this video. Alright, let's get started. First of all, go to the FilesMonster.com website. Click the login menu. A login form will appear. Type in your username. Type in your registered password. Then click the login button. If the browser asks to save your login data, click the save button when the dialog appears. After you arrive at the member page, click Upgrade to Premium menu. Scroll down, find and click the Choose from our authorized resellers link. Click the Redeem Coupon button. It will appear a page to enter the premium coupon code. Put your cursor on the premium voucher code form. Now, go to your email. Open the email sent by VUmax.com, and find the premium code. Once the premium code is found, copy it. Now, return to the FilesMonster page. Right-click on the premium coupon code form, then select Paste. After the premium coupon code appears, click the Submit button. Then a notification will appear, informing that the premium membership has been activated. Click the My Account menu. Now you can see the status of your premium account active period. Congratulations! Your account has become a premium account, and you can enjoy all the premium features. That's all from us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell button. If you need FilesMonster Premium Activation Code, just visit www.viamax.com, the best authorized FilesMonster reseller. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.